Number 1. The 1969 Mercury Cougar Coupe 2D priced at $11,000. This light blue, powder blue car is still running and drivable. The interior appears fairly well preserved, although there are some signs of aging like scratches on the driver's seat. The engine seems original, though it may have undergone some minor repairs and updates, such as on the air filter. The car still requires repairs to the turn signals and brake lights to function properly. Based on the overall appearance, it likely retains around 90% of its original parts. The seller is offering the car for $113,000, or best offer negotiable, and has complete paperwork. Number 2. The 1963 Mercury Comet two-door sedan priced at $6,400. This 1963 Mercury Comet is powered by a 170Ci inline-six paired with a 2-speed automatic transmission, and a refurbishment under prior ownership involved repairing the floors and rear wheel wells, repainting the car in black, and retrimming the interior in red and black vinyl. A Pioneer AM/FM/CD stereo was added, and other equipment includes 14-inch steel wheels, KYB rear shocks, and a Sunpro tachometer. An alternator was fitted following the seller's acquisition in April 2023. This Comet is now offered in Illinois at no reserve with a collection of magazines, workshop manuals, and spare parts, as well as a binder of service records and a clean Louisiana title in the seller's name. The Comet was offered in 5 body styles for the 1963 model year, and this two-door sedan example left the factory finished in presidential black. The floors and rear wheel wells are said to have been repaired before a repaint in the 2000s. Exterior details include quadruple headlights, a bright tail panel, and optional backup lights. Bubbling paint is noted on the rocker panels, along with corrosion on the underside of the hood, which can be viewed in the gallery. The bench seats and door panels have been retrimmed in red and black vinyl and are joined by a red dashboard and carpets. A Pioneer AM/FM/CD head unit has been installed below the driver's seat and is connected to speakers mounted in the kick panels and parcel shelf, while an inoperative push-button AM radio remains in the factory location. An aftermarket console sits atop the transmission tunnel, and red floor mats line the footwells. The seller notes that the turn signals do not work. The 3-spoke steering wheel wears an aftermarket cover and frames a sweeping 100 miles per hour speedometer, as well as gauges for fuel level and coolant temperature. A Sunpro Super Attach 2 tachometer has been added to the right side of the steering column, though it is said to be disconnected. The 5-digit odometer shows 92K miles, and true mileage is unknown. The oil pressure light works intermittently, and the cigarette lighter and push-button radio are inoperative, according to the seller. Number 3. The 1967 Plymouth Satellite hardtop priced at $5,100. This 1967 Plymouth Satellite two-door hardtop was modified over the past 2 decades under previous ownership and is powered by a 500Ci V8 mated to a rebuilt 3-speed automatic transmission with gear vendor's overdrive. The car is finished in black over black, and features include a narrow Dana 60 rear end, a competition engineering ladder link rear suspension, tub rear wheel housings, Wilwood front disc brakes, 15-well wheels, Mickey Thompson drag slicks, aluminum cylinder heads, a Brawler 950 CFM 4-barrel carburetor, a fuel cell, a roll cage, G-force harnesses, an auto-mirror tachometer, a shift light, a B&M shifter, and an aftermarket stereo system. This modified Satellite was acquired by the selling dealer in 2025 with service records and a British Columbia registration. The car was refinished in black, and the rear wheel wells were tubbed. Equipment includes a hood scoop, Satellite badging, and a driver's side mirror. Scratches are shown up close in the gallery. The 15x4 and 15x12 well wheels are mounted with 26x6 front and 29x15 rear Mickey Thompson tires. A competition engineering ladder link setup and panhard bar are fitted out back, and the seller states that additional suspension components include frame connectors, coilovers, and an overhaul front suspension. Stopping power is provided by unassisted Wilwood front discs and an 11.5 rear drums. Number 4. The 1965 Oldsmobile Jetstar 88 convertible priced at $3,500. The 1965 Oldsmobile Jetstar 88 convertible stands as a testament to classic American automotive engineering, boasting a combination of nostalgic design and modern upgrades. This two-door hardtop is in relatively good condition for its age, maintaining both its charm and functionality with careful attention to detail from previous owners. The car's exterior features a striking green and white roof combination, giving an iconic vintage appeal that immediately transports onlookers back to the mid-60s. The combination of these colors on the exterior not only complements the car's original design, but also enhances its timeless look. Inside, the car's interior has been preserved with an eye for detail. The cream-colored seats are tastefully accented with green trim, perfectly matching the exterior color and contributing to a cohesive aesthetic that ties the entire vehicle together. The cabin remains neat and inviting, with no noticeable wear, showing that it has been treated with care over the years. The design reflects the era's penchant for comfort and style, with a spacious and open feel typical of 1960s convertibles. Beyond its appearance, this Oldsmobile Jetstar 88 has undergone several mechanical upgrades that elevate its performance and durability. At the heart of this classic vehicle lies a rebuilt 330 engine, featuring 7A heads and stainless steel valves. The engine is further enhanced with adjustable roller rockers, a mild camshaft, and a 4-barrel aluminum quadrajet carburetor, all of which contribute to improved engine performance and reliability. The sound emitted by the dual exhaust with cherry bombs is unmistakable, offering a deep and throaty note that's both powerful and distinct, a true mark of performance. Number 5. The 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 priced at $9,000. This car has been modified for drag racing. The rear section features a solid roll cage for safety during races. The interior has been stripped down, with most standard components removed, and a racing fuel cell added to the rear cabin. The engine bay includes a large radiator area, indicating it was designed for maximum cooling, as needed for racing. The exterior showcases a red body with white and green stripes on the hood. The car has large wheels and tires suitable for acceleration on straight tracks. Overall, it has an aggressive look and is ready for drag racing, though it may require additional work if intended for street use. Number 6. The 1974 Buick Electra 225 priced at $8,495. Why the 1974 Buick Electra 225 Coupe stands as a true symbol of 1970s American luxury, seamlessly blending style, power, and comfort into one remarkable vehicle. With a price tag of $8,495, this classic car exemplifies the quality and grandeur that Buick was known for during its heyday. At a glance, the Electra 225 captures the essence of an era, boasting a distinctive design that immediately draws the eye. However, its appeal goes far beyond just aesthetics. It represents a perfect balance between performance and sophistication, making it a standout choice among classic cars. In terms of design, the 1974 Buick Electra 225 remains timeless. The sleek lines and bold front grille reflect the aggressive yet elegant styling of 1970s luxury cars. Its long, sweeping body and pronounced fenders contribute to its commanding presence on the road, while the chrome details and large, detailed headlights add to its refined elegance. Inside, the Electra 225 offers a spacious and opulent cabin, featuring plush seating, luxurious materials, and a host of advanced features for its time. The leather upholstery with accents and high-quality finishes provide a feeling of indulgence, ensuring that every ride feels like a first-class experience. Under the hood, the 1974 Buick Electra 225 packs a punch. Equipped with a powerful 455 cubic inch V8 engine, it delivers a substantial amount of horsepower, ensuring smooth acceleration and a commanding driving experience. The engine strength, paired with the car's expertly engineered suspension system, allows the Electra 225 to glide over the road with ease, offering a comfortable ride without sacrificing power. This impressive combination of luxury and performance makes it a joy to drive and a perfect example of Buick's dedication to crafting vehicles that stand the test of time. What truly sets this particular 1974 Buick Electra 225 apart is the extensive care and attention to detail that has been put into its upkeep and upgrades. Over the years, the car has been meticulously maintained and thoughtfully restored, ensuring that it runs as smoothly as it looks. Its systems have been overhauled to provide reliable performance, while modern updates have been added to enhance the driving experience without compromising the classic appeal of the vehicle. For any collector or classic car enthusiast, this Electra 225 represents an outstanding opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. As a collector's item, the 1974 Buick Electra 225 is a rare gem that holds both nostalgic and financial value. Its place in the history of American automobiles is secured, thanks to its combination of luxury, performance, and craftsmanship. The car's carefully preserved condition and thoughtful upgrades make it not only a prized possession, but also a smart investment. Whether you're looking to expand your collection or simply experience the thrill of driving a vintage luxury coupe, the 1974 Buick Electra 225 offers an unmatched experience. In conclusion, the 1974 Buick Electra 225, priced at $8,495, is more than just a classic American car. It is a testament to the luxury, craftsmanship, and power that defined an era. From its striking design to its smooth performance and attention to detail, it is a true standout among vintage vehicles. For anyone with a passion for classic cars, the Electra 225 is an ideal choice, offering a blend of historical significance, automotive excellence, and sheer driving pleasure. Number 7. The 1970 Cadillac DeVille, priced at $10,000, $6,000. This two-door car is in fairly good condition, with the original 472 engine and 75,000 miles, and runs very well. However, there's a slight gasket leak on the driver's side manifold that needs replacement, although the engine noise quiets down after warming up. The car has been modified with 20 to 22 inches, rims and an air suspension, airbags with a compressor in the trunk. Some areas on the exterior show small rust spots, though it still has an appealing look with the classic blue color typical of the era. The interior is well maintained, with the seats and dashboard still in good condition. Number 8. The 1977 Ford Granada, priced at $11,000. This White Lightning Edition is in good condition with 56,000 miles. It comes with a 3-speed automatic transmission, a recently painted white exterior with red accent stripes characteristic of the special edition. The front and rear show well-maintained original grills and lights. The wheels and tires are also clean and well kept. The maroon-red interior is tidy, with leather seats still in good condition. The dashboard and instrument panel reflect the low mileage. The engine compartment is also clean and well-maintained, giving the impression that this car has received comprehensive care. Number 9. The 1975 Pontiac Formula, priced at $10,000, equipped with a 400 big block engine with a mild camshaft and a Demon Holly Dome 658 Edelbrock double pumper carburetor. The car has 4 1 headers connected to a Summit Racing dual exhaust system, producing a great sound. While it starts and drives, it requires further work to reach optimal condition. Parts like the carpet, headliner, and paint need replacement or updating. The brakes need better calibration, and the header gasket should be replaced. Additionally, though offset wheels with good tires are installed, this car is not show-ready and is more suited as a winter restoration project for someone willing to put in the work. Number 10. The 1971 Ford Mustang, priced at $12,200. The car needs significant repair to the body and chassis. Most body panels are available, including the floor, rear quarter panels, trunk floor, wheel houses, and lower inner fender panels. It has a low-mileage 351 Windsor engine with new dual exhaust. The car can start and drive, but only the front brakes work. The interior is still fairly good and tidy, though the carpet needs replacement. The car is sold at a firm price with no trade offers. Number 11, the 1977 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D priced at $10,000. This car requires attention in several areas. It has a good title and is drivable, though it hasn't passed inspection. The interior shows signs of wear and tear, especially on the seats, which need reupholstering. The engine bay is dirty, with some cables that might need rearrangement to ensure optimal performance. The body paint is dull and peeling in some spots, indicating it needs a repaint. There's rust on the lower rear section, particularly in the trunk floor area, which likely needs replacement. The car also has a sunroof, AV8 305 engine, and an automatic transmission but lacks AC. Essential repairs include replacing tires and general maintenance to ensure performance and driving comfort. Number 12, the 1978 Dodge Aspen, priced at $2,850. The car is in excellent condition, with original paint that has never been redone. The exterior retains a brown color typical of the era, and is well preserved without dents or major damage. The interior is also original, with front and rear seats showing slight wear, but remaining clean. The trunk compartment is tidy, with an orderly spare tire area. The slant 6 engine appears neat and clean, indicating good maintenance. With a functioning automatic transmission and around 91,000 miles, this car is ready for daily use with good fuel efficiency. Number 13, the 1969 Mercury Cougar XR7, priced at $12,900. The car has a clean title and is powered by a 351 Cleveland engine with an automatic transmission and 50,000 miles. The car has a striking appearance, though the body still needs work to be tidier. The current finish and paint are average and would benefit from further bodywork to achieve a perfect result. Nevertheless, it's still a pleasant car to drive as a rider. It is offered at an affordable price. Number 14, the 1968 AMC AMX 390, priced at $16,800. It is equipped with an inline-6 engine and a manual transmission. The car is still drivable and runs, though a tune-up is recommended for optimal performance. The condition shows some areas needing repair, particularly the underside, such as the floor and leaf spring mounts, though the main frame is intact. The interior shows wear, with worn seats and some rust around the hatch area. The exterior is yellow, with some rust and scratches on the front and around the lights. The owner is open to trades only if there is an AMC Gremlin available. Number 15, the 1980 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe 2D, priced at $8,000. It is a restoration project that needs considerable attention to be road ready. It comes with a 425 7L engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission. According to the seller, the body has rust damage in several areas, especially on the side panels, lower edges, and inner wheel wells, which show significant corrosion. The engine appears to be intact but has not been operated for a long time and will need maintenance. Some parts of this car are still original, and it also features several luxury amenities from its era, such as power windows, power seats, power disc brakes with a dual master cylinder, power steering, air conditioning, tinted glass, and an adjustable steering wheel. Additionally, it has rare old polycast wheels and new radial tires.